Hey everyone, this is Mackenzie from the Vermillion Public Library, and today I am going to show you how to make these Among Us paper crafts. This is a part of our March Take and Make kits. The kits are available at the south entrance at the library, and it's first come, first serve, so make sure you grab them right away. I think we have about 30 kits. This craft is super simple, super hilarious. It is perfect for any fans of this game. So let's get started. Each kit will have enough material to make 3 different crewmates. This includes 2 sheets of origami paper, one for the body, one for the head. You will also have a little strip the same color that will be used for the backpack. You'll get 1 rectangular strip for the bone, and then you'll get a little scrap that will be used for the helmet, and then you'll also have 1/3 sheet of paper that you can use for any of the customizations. Like here, I did mostly hats for my little guys. But you could do the pets. I mean, there's so many options and you can get as creative as you want. I forgot to mention you'll also need glue, scissors, and markers. So now let's really get started. First, we're going to take one of the square sheets of origami paper, and you're just going to go from the bottom, fold it in half, open it up, and then we're going to turn it around, fold it in half again, so that when you open up there should be 4 equal sections. Now we're going to go from the bottom and fold to this middle crease. Make sure to crease this pretty well. And then we're going to go from the top and fold to the new crease that we made down here. And then we're going to go from the right side, fold it to the middle. And then repeat on this side. Next, we're going to fold the bottom up to this top crease here. After that, take this right little tab here and then fold it to the middle, take the right corner and then fold it to the middle so you get kind of a little right angle triangle. Repeat on the other side. So now you should have kind of a square with a triangle at the bottom. Okay, so this part, I'm going to try to lift it up a little bit closer to the camera because it's a little difficult to explain, but you're going to take part of this right part of the triangle and then fold it out just like that. And you're going to repeat with this side. You just kind of lift part of it up and just maneuver it. These are going to be used for the legs, and then you're just going to take this tab, fold it down, same on this side. So now it's almost like you got an upside down house. Next, we're going to take the bottom of this part of the triangle, fold it up to this first kind of crease here, So you get a nice little right angle. Repeat on this side. And then you're going to kind of open it up and then fold along where that triangle was, but like inside. So then you'll get kind of like trapezoid shape for the legs. And then next we're just going to fold this little part to kind of separate the legs here. So you can tell they're legs. So you're just going to fold it back. I think this would be a good time to glue because I've been having a harder time getting the folds to stay put. So you just have to glue them down. At least then they'll kind of not stick out or anything. And then you turn it around and you got little legs. Okay. So for the helmet, we are going to start the same way. You're going to fold it in half. Open it up, fold it in half the other way. This time, we're going to take it, make sure the folded part is at the top, and then the open is at the bottom. We're going to take the body that we just finished, line up the creases in the middle, place this on top, and then we're going to take the right side, fold it as far as we can inward, and then repeat. So now this will be able to fit on the body pretty well. Remove the body, open this up, make sure there is 1 horizontal line and 3 vertical. Then we're going to take this last vertical section on each side, fold it in, you get a nice rectangle, and then fold it in half. Make sure you crease it pretty well so it stays put. Next, we're going to be taking the right corner and just folding it in at a right angle to give the helmet a more kind of rounded look. Repeat on this side. Next, we're going to be opening this up and then folding these corners in, just kind of like we did with the legs. So then we have the helmet. Now, open it up and then glue, just smother glue all in this bottom half so it will stay pretty, it'll just stay shut. And then you're just going to fold it again. Oh no. Oh, that was a close one. Just press it down really well. And there we have the head, the helmet. We have the helmet. Next, we are going to be making the backpack, which is super simple. You just take that strip. It's the same color as your crewmate. Take a marker and then just create kind of like a rounded rectangle that's about the same size as your crewmate's helmet. Gonna draw off to the ends. I accidentally got marker on my roommate, but he'll be okay. And we're just gonna cut this out. You just glue the very edge here. And just glue that on. And for the visor, we're going to take that smaller of the white strips and then draw an oval and then just cut it out. I'm going to add the blue part first before gluing it on. Just kind of make slightly smaller oval inside, fill in the rest with blue. Next we're going to glue this on. So I've noticed in the game, you can put this right in the middle, but I think in the game they're kind of angled a little outward, so I like having it slightly off center. And then you just stick it on. And then this part, I just like touching up the outline with the black marker. And then we have the body and head done. Now all that we have to do is add the bone. So we're going to take this little strip and then we're going to fold it in half. Surprising, I know. This is a little hard. Okay, so you have it in half, open it up, fold the bottom up to that middle crease. Repeat with the top half. Now we're going to take this, fold this in half. That's good. And then open it back up. And then we're going to take this right side and fold it at an angle right on that middle crease. So we'll get a nice kind of little triangle fold. Then take the same side and fold it the opposite way. So now you'll have a slight triangle fold there. We're going to go from here and kind of open it up where those angled folds are. And then this part is a little difficult. It takes me quite a few tries to get it correct when I last did this. But you just kind of fold this down and you want, I would say, about to at least cover up this part. You just kind of fold it down like that. I don't know how to explain it much better. And then you'll flip it around. And then you'll take this extra spot, or this extra kind of piece here, fold this up, and then just fold in the tip right there. So we kind of, it's not just a straight up triangle. It's more kind of rounded off. Repeat on the other side. So then when you turn it around, it has kind of a bone shape. We're going to open this up and glue it down. And then lastly, we're going to take our nail and just kind of press in right in the middle. So then we're going to take the body and add this on, glue bottom portion, then making sure to line up with the line here. And we'll just press that right inside. So now all that we have to do is add customizations if that is something you want. You can then draw them out and cut them out on that 1/3 sheet of paper that's provided. I made a little mini crewmate because I just think they're really cute. It's Bring Your Child to Work Day on the Among Us spaceship, which was not good thinking on their part, but so you just kind of glue it and then place it on the head, stick it down, and voila, look how amazing it looks. And that's it for the craft. It's very simple, very funny. If you want, you can post pictures of the crewmates you make in the comments below. Let us know how you did. And hope you all have a good time. See you later.